Welcome to today's video where we dive deep into the profound relationship between yoga and mental health. For centuries, yoga has been practiced as a holistic approach to well-being, but how exactly does it influence our mood, depression, and anxiety? Yoga is not just about flexibility and balance. It's a mind-body practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. This combination has a direct impact on our nervous system, especially the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps calm and restore our body. When we talk about mood, it's essential to understand that our mood is influenced by various factors, including stress, sleep, and even our gut health. Yoga, with its emphasis on deep breathing and relaxation, can help reduce the levels of the stress hormone cortisol in the body. Lower cortisol levels are associated with improved mood and reduced feelings of anxiety. But what about depression? A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found that individuals with major depressive disorder who practice yoga regularly showed significant reductions in their depressive symptoms. The rhythmic breathing and mindful movements in yoga can stimulate the release of endorphins, our body's natural mood elevators. Now, let's touch upon anxiety. Anxiety often arises from a feeling of losing control or the unknown. The meditative aspect of yoga encourages mindfulness, which is the practice of being present in the moment. By focusing on the here and now, we can distance ourselves from the overwhelming thoughts and worries that fuel anxiety. Over time, this can lead to a more balanced and calm state of mind. If you've stayed with us until this point, we truly appreciate your interest and support. If you're finding this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us create more insightful content like this. In conclusion, while yoga is not a replacement for professional medical treatment, it can be a valuable tool in managing and improving mental health. Whether you're looking to boost your mood, combat depression, or alleviate anxiety, incorporating yoga into your routine can offer numerous benefits. Remember, it's not about perfecting a pose but about the journey and the connection between mind, body, and spirit. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, mental health is just as important as physical health, and it's okay to seek help when needed. Namaste.